How to enable voice chat on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice chat on Roblox. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type in roblox.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see the settings icon. Click on your settings icon, and here you will need to click on settings. Once you click on settings, now you will be taken to the settings page. Here you need to ensure that your account is set to 13 years old or older. It is available in only 13 plus account. Here you will need to verify your age in order to get voice chat on Roblox. In this page, here you will need to ensure that you have verified your email. After that, you'll need to scroll down, and here next to your birthday, you'll be able to see verify my age button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on verify my age, you will find this pop-up window. Here, first of all, now you will need to prepare your valid ID. It may be driving license, passport, ID or resident permit. Once you have that, now you can scan this QR code from your mobile device, and you need to proceed further in order to verify your age. Once you have verified your age, now you will need to come back to this page, and here you need to click on this privacy option. Once you click on privacy, here you will need to scroll down, and under this camera input, here you will be able to see the microphone option. You need to enable the microphone input option. After that, you will be able to enable voice chat on Roblox. Also ensure that the verification may take up to few days for voice chat to be activated. You need to regularly check your privacy settings for updates. Also note that it may not be available in all the countries. So by following these steps, you should be able to enable voice chat on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.